Hello and welcome to the MSSO's MedDRA videocast series. In this series we will demonstrate key features of the MSSO's two MedDRA browsing tools, the MedDRA Desktop Browser and the MedDRA web-based browser. This videocast will focus on the MedDRA Desktop Browser and its research bin and export functions. MedDRA users often need to compile lists of MedDRA terms relating to specific medical areas of interest that they then use to query their own MedDRA-coded databases to identify general safety issues and individual cases. In the MedDRA Desktop Browser, the research bin with its export function makes it easy to select, store and export MedDRA terms for use in other applications. In this example, I will use platelet disorders as the medical topic of interest. Navigating from the top down in the SOC blood and lymphatic system disorders, there is an HLGT platelet disorders. To make a note of that, I right-click on the term and add it to the research bin. It has now been added to the bin. Navigating further down in the hierarchy, there are three HLTs subordinate to the HLGT. To select all three of these, I hold down the Shift key, select, and add to the research bin. Going down to the PT level, if I wanted to select non-consecutive PTs to add to the bin, I hold down the Control key, select terms, right-click, and add to the research bin. For convenience, I may wish to add the entire contents of the HLGT platelet disorders to the bin in one single action. Doing so would result in hundreds of terms being added to the bin because it would include the HLTs, PTs, as well as the LLTs. To demonstrate with a more simple example, I will choose the HLT thrombocytoses, which only has one PT subordinate to it. This time again I right-click and choose Add all subcategories to research bin. There is a warning that there may be multiple terms. I click Yes. But in this case, just the HLT, its subordinate PT thrombocytosis, and its subordinate LLTs, the UK and US spellings of thrombocythemia, have been added to the bin. In addition to top-down searches, we also employ bottom-up search strategies to find terms in MedDRA, and the research bin functionality can be applied in this type of search as well. If I type in platelet in the search dialog box, I retrieve the results of that search from the bottom up. And again, I can select any term at any level in the hierarchy and add it to the research bin. Note that there is no option for adding all subcategories to the research bin when searching from the bottom up. One notable feature of the research bin is that its contents are preserved in memory, so if I close down the MedDRA Desktop Browser and then reopen it, the terms I'd previously added to the bin will still be present. Now that I have finished searching for terms, I will demonstrate how to export the contents of the research bin. In the Research topic box, I will give the topic a name, Demo, and then click the Export button. I'll say yes to duplicate terms. And an Excel spreadsheet is launched with all of the terms, their level, as well as the 8-digit codes. These terms can then be used in various applications. I hope that you have found this videocast informative. Thank you.